guys, we're back again. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. We'd like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check out DonkeyStomper.com. DonkeyStomper.com. Alright guys, we've got an A-Pill repair review real quick. This was a C-Box. It did have this new design bias in it. I'm not even going to go into that or talk about it a lot. And the bias failed in some way or another, and it caused just eat all the pills. The C-Box did. So instead of putting C's in the new 24 DO8s, a good customer of mine, Patreon member, it does way better than it's ever done. I took the bias out, chunked it, went through and put 8 new 2879 HGs in it, regular transistors, not the C's. Put new 10 ohms in it, kept the feedbacks. Put a new combiner resistors in it, retuned it all. Went all the way through it, and the box works great now. It ought to be a good box for him. Just gonna do a real quick test review on it. He's got 2 more boxes here. I still gotta put the fan and stuff on this. I'll may just get his other 2 boxes out and fix them. Guys, when I start this and start doing repairs, it don't take me long. I'll knock these repairs out. It won't be no time. They'll be gone. But anyway, bud, I've got your box fixed. Let's look at it straight through SWR. I just got the radio on, straight through SWR, worldwide 0. Turn him on, input SWR radio drive. We're running all of it for some voltage. Been trying to keep my voltage consistent, about 14.7, 14.8, in there, anywhere in that area. By the way, when you watch the videos, it'll be consistent. The voltage is 14.9 on the idle, it comes down to 14.6. There's a little more than car voltage. Car voltage is about 14, so it'll do a little less in your car, but most power supplies are set up this way. Alright, radio drive. Hello, worldwide radio drive. Worldwide's doing 14.7. 1-2, worldwide radio drive. Radio drive, it's alive. 800 some change on the bird. On the bird, hello. About 750 on the bird. I'm going to go over and hit the driver. Same poor old 12 volt, same poor old 2 pill on 12 volts that I've always run. 99's hot. And let's see what it looks like driven. Hello, driver. It's really hot. That's the best this box has ever even thought about doing. It's never done nothing like that before. 1, 2, 3, 19 and some change. Get on down. 1, 2, 3. Let's just say 19 some change. Go over and look at our bird. Put it over on PEP. 15's 1500. Hello, worldwide. 1750 on the bird. 5 on reverse. Hello. Let's have a what? Well, he just does some pretty good numbers, and the average is not up because look at the dead key. We can fix that though. Hold on. Put you a little carrier in there and see if it helps the average. Hello, I knew it would. 900 and something average. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's all average really is a carrier. Guess you don't know that. So now I'll tell you some change. Go over here and go over outdoor dummy load or colossal. Outdoor dummy load. Radio drive. Look at the LP100A. Hello, radio drive, it's alive. Radio drive, it's alive. 760, get on down. Get the driver. Hello, driver. 1889 on the outdoor dummy load, and that happens sometimes. 1800 some change worldwide. Get on down. Show 600 average, 700 average. Look at the average meter on the LP. Hello. It's a good little box, man. Got a good SWR, got a really good tune. Should last you now. Shouldn't have no more trouble out of it as long as you got a good SWR and you go by my dead key rules on my videos. Should be good to go. I said I know you had some bad luck out of it, and you told me in the note to fix it. So I fixed it like I wanted it. And you can still use it on sideband if you want to. Just keep your decky down, all the way down. Don't even drive it. Just use radio drive. And it's all set up for you. Should be good to go. Fresh this bud, your 8 pills up and fixed. I'll get this video out and I'll get with you. I might do your other 2 boxes first. And we'll get her all straightened up for you. I always go through and I don't know, I'm just picky. I kind of set all the components where I want them and the coils and everything, you know, try to pull up, make them look nice. But it's a good box, and the guy that built it, it's a good box. It's not built by a bad builder. I think there's a little I/O happening there. So there you go, man. Regular HG 2879s. One more time on Outdoor Dummy Low Worldwide. 18 and some change. Getting on down. That's about it. Alrighty, guys. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're not already, hit the subscribe button. It won't cost you a dime. Would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out DonkeyStomper.com. That's DonkeyStomper.com. Y'all take care. Your friend 10, 0 Day Beavis, Donkey Stomper. Catch you later. Bye-bye.